How to use notes on iPad. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, Quick Notes actually remains one of the most powerful multitasking tools on iPad, and you can enable it in two different ways. So I'll be showing you both of them. So the first one is going over to your settings application. So once you're here, go over to multitasking and gestures, which is going to be found on the left. And then it's going to look something like this. And all you want to do is ensure swipe finger from corner is toggled on. So we want to go ahead and scroll down. It says swipe finger from corner. We just want to go ahead and turn that on. It's going to say select the action that occurs when you swipe diagonally from the bottom of your corner. So we just want to go ahead and turn that on. And then what you also want to do if you have new windowed apps like Stage Manager mode, swiping your finger from the corner might resize the window instead of opening the note. So to fix this, you have to use an Apple Pencil for the swipe or switch back to full screen apps in the multitasking settings. And if you prefer to use gestures, you can use a dedicated button. So what we can do is go out of this and swipe down on the top right of our screen, which brings up our control panel, and then press the little top, like the plus icon on the top left, and then press add a control on the bottom. And then from here, what we want to go ahead and do is find Quick Note. So we can just type it in, and then as you can see, Quick Note is right there, and now it's displayed on the little thing, and that's literally it. It's as simple as that.